Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp for staying connected with friends, full guide step by step clearly. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. If you haven't already, sign in with your phone number. Once logged in, you'll see your chat list. To start a new chat, tap the chat icon in the bottom right corner. From the contact list, select a friend you want to message. If the person isn't in your contacts, you can invite them to join WhatsApp. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. To add an emoji, tap the smiley face icon and choose your favorite. For sending photos or videos, tap the paperclip icon. You can choose to take a new photo or select one from your gallery. To make a voice call, tap the phone icon at the top of the chat screen. For a video call, tap the camera icon instead. Group chats are a great way to stay connected with multiple friends. To create a group, go back to the chat list and tap the chat icon. Then select New Group and choose your friends. Enter a group name and tap Create. You can share images, documents, and locations in group chats too. To do this, tap the paperclip icon, select your file type, and send. To stay updated, check the status feature. Tap the Status tab to see friends' updates. You can share your own status by tapping My Status. Feel free to add text, photos, or videos that last for 24 hours. Ensure your notifications are turned on for timely updates. To manage notifications, go to Settings and select Notifications. For privacy concerns, adjust your settings under the Account section. Choose who can see your profile photo and status updates. You can also mute conversations that become too noisy. To do this, swipe left on the chat and select Mute. Finally, always keep WhatsApp updated for new features and security improvements. Enjoy staying connected with your friends through WhatsApp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.